Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw a cute octopus. And I will tell you the story Ollie the Clever Octopus. Okay, let's go. Deep in the sparkling blue ocean, there lived a curious little octopus named Ollie. Ollie had 8 long, wiggly arms and could change colors to blend in with the coral reef. He loved exploring the ocean, meeting the sea creatures, and solving puzzles. One day, while Ollie was playing hide and seek with his fish friends, he discovered something strange. A shiny, silver key was stuck between 2 rocks. Ollie was very curious. "I wonder what this key opens," he thought. Ollie tried to pull the key out with one of his arms, but it was stuck tight. He tried again with 2 arms, then 3, but it wouldn't budge. Ollie didn't give up. He knew he had to think smart. Ollie remembered that his friend Shelly the crab was strong and had powerful claws. So he swam over to Shelly and asked Shelly, "Could you help me pull out a key that's stuck between some rocks?" Of course, Shelly clicked her claws happily. Together, they swam back to the rocks. Shelly grabbed the key with her strong claws, and with a little push from Ollie, they pulled the key free. "Thank you, Shelly," Ollie cheered. Now that Ollie had the key, he wondered what it might open. He swam around the reef, looking for something that needed a key. After a while, he found a small, old chest hidden behind a rock. With excitement, Ollie inserted the key into the lock. The chest clicked open, and inside, he found a map. The map had pictures of the ocean and led to a secret treasure hidden in a cave. Ollie didn't keep the map to himself. He invited all his friends Shelly the crab, Finn the fish, and Coral the seahorse to join him on the adventure. Together, they followed the map, solving puzzles and overcoming obstacles along the way. Finally, they reached the treasure chest filled with beautiful, glowing seashells. But the greatest treasure of all was the fun they had and the teamwork they shared. Ollie learned that with a little help from friends and some clever thinking, he could solve any problem and have lots of fun doing it. To subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time!